Welcome to SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is SST Edupedia. Myself, Assistant Professor Ms.Mithili Gaurishankar, going to teach you today in Introduction to Electronic Commerce some of the topic. For second year BCBI and BMS, this topic is covering. This in BCBI we are having in the module 1 Introduction to Electronic Commerce. In that electronic commerce framework we are going to see now. The framework of the electronic commerce is designed by the technical persons, that is related to the application. E-commerce application will be built on the existing technology infrastructure. So new application also constructed according to the technology infrastructure. The main need of constructing the e-commerce infrastructure are a myriad of computers, communication network, communication software. These are the three important things to make an application. The two pillars supporting all e-commerce are application and infrastructure. The application is helping in ordering the things. For example, in Amazon, when we are decided to get one product, we first search about the product. There is available of many content, many products. Many traders are providing different facility, different features and specification of the products. From there, we will choose our required budget, value, product. After ordering, the application will gives us the confirmation. We want to give the necessary things like address for delivery and time of pickup, etc. These things are coded already with the idea of the technical persons. The infrastructure made in the application is also one of the pillar which is supporting the e-commerce. In updated version, any new things, nowadays the reward points are going and Amazon Pay is there. These are the new infrastructure introducing in the already existing application. Any successful e-commerce will require the highway infrastructure. In the same way that regular commerce needs highway, will be a mess of interconnected data highways of many forms. That is, highway means technologically connected globally through e-commerce. For that, some of the material or components are need to access in our level for expanding our e-commerce. First one, telephone, wires, cables, TV wire, cable TV wire, these are the things. Second one, radio based wireless, cellular and satellite. Third one, movies equal to video plus audio both. Digital games equal to music plus videos plus software. Electronic books, text, data, graphics plus music plus photographs plus video. So these are the provision given by the different e-commerce traders to the people all around the world. These are the things they want to consider for giving their provisions. Role of highway messaging software. There are three things. In any number of forms, we can send email. EDI means electronic data interchange or point-to-point file transfers. So highway also want to give the provision of communicating between traders and customers. Encryption and authentication methods to ensure security. Security may plays the main role to access any application or software. So that traders want to give the importance and give surety about the security of the application. Electronic payment scheme developed to handle complex transactions. So payment system, many payment systems are there in which the traders are having tie-up. Most of the customer are using, then only the trader will get benefit. According to that, electronic payment schemes want to be choose for the transaction of amount in the e-commerce. Anatomy of e-commerce application. The main things of e-commerce applications are multimedia contact, more than one contact for e-commerce application. Multimedia storage servers, the storage, the data collection is more nowadays. So data collection and serving in the database, warehouse or data mining or any cloud system that want to be selected. Client server architecture in electronic commerce is very important. The communication with the client is important to maintain the customer relationship, customer CRM, customer relationship management, in which the business will be developed more. Internal processes of multimedia servers. Many servers for internal processes, different department will be there. Communicating between them, the internal processes of multimedia servers is necessary. Video server and e-commerce. Video server are important, that will be storing more area than the normal text. So special attention should be given for that. Information delivery, transport and e-commerce application. This is one of the anatomy related to that transportation, that is inventory, where the delivery should be on time to capture the customer order next time, and tracking of facilities are available. In that the goods want to be tracked by the customer conveniently. Consumer access device. So consumer should have the access of devices to order, and what the application the traders are giving, that should be easily accessed in their devices should be also considered. There is the sum of the difference between consumer lifestyle need and complementary multimedia services. Consumer lifestyle need, different lifestyles are there. Nowadays through OTP many movies are going good than the movie theaters. So many difference have seen getting updated nowadays. In that, according to the consumer lifestyle and also for their entertainment, what are the things the applications are provided, we are going to see in the left side list, that are entertainment, financial service and financial news, that will be latest update of stock market, etc. Essential services, the services which make them easy to go in their life. Essential services can be provided like cab for travel, grocery delivering to the home, food delivering to the home, and home services, etc. Remote diagnostic, diagnosing the remote also one of the thing. Education and training and conferencing online database. These are the basic need should be provided by the traders to the consumer lifestyle. Complementary multimedia services are there. Multimedia services means more than one users. That is movies on demand, video cataloging, interactive, ads, multi-user games, online discussions, home banking, financial service, information, home shopping, electronic catalog, telemedicine, interactive education, multi-user games, video. These are dependent on the group of people who are taking part in that. It will be considered as the complementary multimedia services. Nowadays, if we are top up are getting new SIM, some of the complementary application related to this are provided to us. Free login for 1 year are available in many applications. That is the one of the example. Next, 7 crucial elements for e-commerce website are, that is, which are helpful for making user friendly, we are going to see. First one, user friendly purchasing process. So from the order to the tracking and also payment, everything was user friendly. Easy navigability and consistent flow. When we are traveling somewhere, some of the applications are helpful for navigability. Highlighting deals. Deals are pinging up for attracting deals, and also season festival deals will be pinging up in our phone to highlighting the deals. Option for customer care. Any problem, feedback, customer relations management, all that comes under customer care. Content database is huge nowadays in every application. Easy for us to do the select our convenient things. Hassle-free login. So no messiness in the login. Our individual login is quite good to log in into any application if we have already registered. Design related to responsive are also one of the crucial element. So now iWay we are going to see in detail. iWay is defined as universal affordable access to high performance network capable of carrying billions of bits per second in the context of e-commerce. In the e-commerce, transaction of every message is important, from the order, payment, etc. These are the data which are given in our own language are converting into bits per second. In that, how fast the bits or how fast the message are passing from one area to other area is the important thing. That is the iWay. It was affordable, universally, and high performance network is necessary for making the trader customer relation good in e-commerce. Components of iWay are 3: consumer access equipments, ramps, global information distribution network. These are the 3 main things. Internet terminology we are going to see, through that only e-commerce are going to develop. List of basic internet terminology are browser. www. We used to use the World Wide Web to search many things, and also some Google, Firefox, etc. A program used on the computer connected to the internet that provides access to the World Wide Web is a browser. The browser translates the document stored on the World Wide Web into a format you can read on your screen. So whatever storage in the bit is converting to the format we are able to see in the screen. Download is the next option. To transfer a file from a remote computer to your computer through a modem and a telephone line, cable or wireless, download is helping. Email, electronic mail sending, communication through the mail. Electronic mail messages you can send over the internet from one computer to another. Frequently asked questions, which is sought out and put in the every website of the traders. On a website, a list of questions commonly asked by user and the answers to those questions to assist people using the site. Internet, a worldwide system of linked computers. All computers are linked with this. That allows user to send and receive email and also documents from one computer to another. URL, Universal Resource Locator. So locating where we are searching the address of the web page on the World Wide Web. What is web? World Wide Web. In short, we used to say www. A subset of the internet that allows people to view documents called web pages. In web pages, we are used to see the particular content what we are searching. Using a browser and click items called links on the web page to open another web page anywhere on the web identified by the link. So connecting to different pages of different traders or bloggers, we need a link to access. That is, with the web page we can search and find them. Some of the architectural framework of e-commerce are, here we can see in the diagram. From the browser, web server it is going, middleware it is going, then JDBC driver it is going, again it is coming back to middleware, then web server and browser. This middleware is the programmer who does the program using Java Servlet, JSP, JDBC, Java Beans, RMI, Corba, J2, WE, JB. These are the languages. But for the storage, that is for database storage, in the driver they are using Oracle 99, DB2 and MySQL. So a framework is intended to define and create tools that integrate the information found in today's closed system and allow the development of e-commerce application. Whatever communication we are doing in e-commerce or electronic trading or electronic business, it is the data should be converted and stored, and it should be retrieved whenever we are like to use. For that, ITCS people may plays the major role in coding using the many languages. E-commerce architecture also gives API gateway for order service, stock service, payment service, delivery service. These are the 4 services where the API gateway means coding system is helping to access in the electronic trading. E-commerce application architecture consists of six layers of functionality or services, that are application services, brokerage services, interface support layer, secure messaging and EDI. EDI means electronic data interchange, middleware structured document interchange, network infrastructure and providing communication services. Next one, media convergence. Convergence means going into one point. So in all around the globe, the trading system is very vast. Converging to one point inside the computer, and it is distributed again to the all around the world, then it is reaching every customer. This is the major work doing in the e-commerce. In their media convergence simply refers to the merging of different types of mass media such as traditional media, print media, broadcast media, new media and the internet, as well as portable and highly interactive technology through digital media platforms. So the media convergence, we are having one diagram. Here in a different year, 1920 cinema, telephone, these are accessed. It is now converted to the tab format. Everything was converged to one single format. What are the things we are seeing? Interface means in 1950 to 1960, keyboard, mouse, game and customer relationship management, then playing games, communication, everything is converted into small tab. Everything is available in phone or tab nowadays. So So the most popular example of media convergence are smartphones, which we are having, which is converged, the camera is converged, music is converged, internet is converged, books is converged, and all other media together. Everything is available in the smartphones. Online radio, converging radio with the internet. Online we can listen the radio also, no need of a special radio system. E-books, books readings are there. E-books helping us to read the books through online. Converging paperbacks with the digital technology. News website and application, everyday newspaper, paperless system, converting to the e-news system where daily news can be read. The three main types of media convergence are technology convergence. Technologically everything was converged, learning also converged, education also converged nowadays. Economic convergence, share market, all the latest update of this time can be seen, and updates of economy can be seen in smartphone. Cultural convergence, the cultural of different nation can be seen in the smartphone. So everything was captured and converged in the smartphone due to the internet. Technology convergence means it is when a new technology are created and take over from past technology and perform the same task in a more efficient manner. Economic convergence which suggests that countries with lower GDP are growing to grow faster than countries with higher GDP. With the economic media convergence allows a single company to target larger interest groups through various kinds of media. So economic convergence making us aware all around the world how the economy is going, and giving back support for the lower GDP countries also. Cultural convergence, this concept of media convergence occurs when two or more cultures adopt each other's traits and become more alike. So many culture we can found, and observing it and making the use of it in our culture also one of the cultural convergence example. So thank you students, till now you have studied about the some of the highways and convergence in e-commerce. Thank you.